Hi ma, hi friends. Over.
Ready?
Ready.
Already started? Amma again will do the video.
Still not started. You don't bug me, okay? Ready, start.
Wait. When I say start up, it is not happening. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to stick this gooseberry.
Rana, tell it is prank time, Rana.
என்ன பத்த மம்மி உன் கண்ணுல என்ன தண்ணி
Hi friends, welcome to Dr.Madhan Talkies, and today we are going to make the dish, and the dish name is Pani Puri, and it will take only 10 minutes to make. Okay, now let's go on to the video and see what are the ingredients, and it will take only like I already told you 10 minutes. Okay, and it's so fast to make, it's very delicious, and in the end, one surprise is there. In the end, I will tell you. Okay, now let's see the ingredients and start the video. Now let's see what are the ingredients we need to make the Pani Puri. We need 5 puris, 2 slices of potato, and 2 mint leaves, 1 green chilli, few drops of lemon, half spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of red chilli powder. Now I'm going to start the Pani Puri process. Let's mash these 2 potatoes. Now I'm going to mash these 2 potatoes. Now the potatoes are well mashed. Now I'm going to add the spices to the smashed potatoes. Now I'm going to add half spoon of salt. Now I'm going to add chili powder and cumin powder. Now we have to mix all. Now it's completely mixed. The mixer is well done. Now let's make the pani for the puri. Now we have to add 1 green chilli, 2 mint leaves inside the blender. It has come beautifully. Now I will show you guys and we'll see what is the next step. Now I'm going to strain this in a bowl. The Pani Puri dish is completed. The puri is completed. The pani is completed. And the potato masala is completed. Now is prank time for my dad. He's working on his laptop in his room, and we got this tiny gooseberry, and we're going to dip it in the potato masala and cover it. I have stuck the potato masala all around the gooseberry, and now let's start the prank and prank my dad. Okay. Now I'm going to take this gooseberry with potato masala and keep this inside the puri. Now is prank time. We are going to give it to my dad and we'll see how he reacts. Okay, come guys.
I am very happy. Start music.
Daddy, I have made Pani Puri for you.
What? You made? You prepare for me?
Yeah, I prepared for you.
Wow, super. Then you put.
I am very happy. Start music.
You have to put
Please
என்ன சொன்ன இப்ப நீ?
வாங்கி பிரெஞ்சில சொன்னேன்.
இதெல்லாம் உனக்கு நல்லது இல்ல தெரியுமா?
What?
Oh, what is it?
Nothing. Gooseberry. Gooseberry.
What is the gooseberry and you giving it to me? The taste is,
I don't think
this is really super. But this one.